7, 8.
I know a place where they dance all night, down on the island of paradise. Everybody's friendly and there's lots of love, dancing under the stars above. Let's start living again, back to hanging with all our friends. Wanna see your smiling face, people back in every place. Crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play your favorite song. Golden times, don't let it end. Let's start living again. Walk on the beach, baby, hand in hand. Walk for miles barefoot in the sand. Tropical breeze blowing in the wind, making lots of friends. Let's start living again, back to hanging with all our friends. Wanna see your smiling face, people packed in every place. Crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play your favorite song. Golden times, don't let it end. Let's start living again. Let's start living again, hanging out with all our friends. I wanna see your smiling face, people packed in every place. Crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play your favorite song. Golden times, don't let it end. Let's start living again. Crystal blue dancing all night long. DJ play your favorite song. Golden times, don't let it end. Let's start living again. Who's with me? Let's go. Let's start living again. Get over here and see me. Let's start living again. Let's go, Albert. Let's start living again. I'm there. Let's start living again. Keep on living. Let's start living.
This dance is Let's Start Living Again, choreographed by Ira Weisberg. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. One hint, all the turns go right. Section 1, starting with the right foot, rock back, recover, side shuffle, rock back, recover, side shuffle. Section 2, jazz box. Cross, back, side, cross, Monterey quarter turn to the right, point to side, turn a quarter right, point to side, together. Section 3, rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. As you step forward on right, make a quarter turn right, side, back, sweep, left, back. Last section, back, side, cross rock, recover, side rock. As you recover, make a quarter turn right, shuffle a half turn right. I'm now facing 3 o'clock, weights on my left, and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the whole dance.